Alright, welcome back. It's fucking dark 30. And I'm building a contraption for Abigail because she's hurt pretty bad. She got into a fight with the other dog. I don't know who the fuck started it, but she's pretty fucked up, and I can't carry her outside back and forth, because I don't know when she's got to go to the bathroom because she don't tell me like she normally would, because she's pretty fucked up. She's pretty sore. So I built a contraption for her. This was an old paint table that we were using when we moved into the new house. So what I did was I cut those strips so that way it's like a little trolley, or a little edge, if you will. And these are a little over 42 inches, and this here is 42 that way to that way by 31 wide. It was already cut 31, so I went ahead and used it anyway. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screw this. I got some extra caulk laying around each side. My stepson left a bunch of shit laying around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some silicone. I'm gonna make me a little track right there, and I'm gonna seal it so that way if any of the urine gets off the house wrap that I'm putting down on this board, if it goes anywhere, then that way I can take and fucking take care of it so it doesn't. She's not laying in it all the time to get everywhere. So that's what I'm doing next. Now here's the house wrap I was talking to you about. You can use any kind of plastic. I just happen to have this. And it's been folded to where there's 4 layers. And all I did was kind of screw it on there for the moment so I can put my edge. So I can put those pieces that I showed you. And I'm going to do that all the way around this to make sure I have it folded down. Alright, as you can see, I put some caulk on there. I just used something cheap, DAP. It dries in 20 minutes, serves its purpose. That's what I wanted. The other stuff take a lot longer. Needs more in here, so put some more. Then you make sure you got a screw in hand. And you got to figure out how thick it is. So then you kind of know where your margin is to screw. And since I have a drip tray down there, somehow or another, I'm going to start from the other edge. And you push it on and you slide it a little either direction, then it makes sure you got a contact. And bam, Goober City. But it does the job, and it's going to do exactly what I want it to do. Dry in 20 minutes. Wipe my hands off. Something. Oh hell. Wiping off my underwear. I don't care. Ain't like it's gonna fucking hurt anything. Since you got it like that, you're gonna want to work your way out from it, whichever direction. Try not to pinch your fingers too much. If you're clumsy, make a video so I can see. Oh shit. And try not to go through the fucking top like I just did. Luckily where it's at, clock will feel it. Downward motion, not up. Oh shit. Does it really matter? Nah, it don't fucking matter, I guess. There's gonna be a direction somewhere. Somewhere it's gonna be a top, somewhere it's gonna be a fucking bottom. I kinda didn't leave enough. Okay, and like I said, this shit dries in 20 minutes, so you got 20 minutes to play. Oh shit. Fuck. Oh, and if it's painted, put the painted on the other fucking side. I didn't. I wasn't paying attention. I was too busy working about making a fucking video. Huh. Why didn't y'all tell me it was bare wood on that side? I mean, come on, man. You're supposed to help me out. Alright, I'm just gonna flip it around. And scrape the silicone off. Well, I got a putty knife, so I'll do that too. Alright. The holes you drilled, make sure they're facing downward. Alright, now I can go back to what I was doing and fix it the way I want it. Since I made a hell of a mess, I want some more down there. And then just take your finger and run your finger down. Make sure you get it all sealed. If you make a goobery mess, that's fine. Have some denatured alcohol on hand, because it makes the cleanup real easy. And it doesn't stick to your hands at all, so you don't have to worry about using soap, water, and all the other shit until after you're done. I'll show you what the finished product is when I'm done. All right, well, I had to make a couple extra things with this, so it's not necessarily exactly the way I told you. Good. Oh, shit. Plus side, the motherfucker works. I didn't realize she pissed that much. Fuck. Well, fucking goddamn, I should have checked. But anyway. All right, now back, where were we? I showed you how to put the, so I'll tell you about how I did the screws and shit. And that I tested it out, and as you can see, it worked pretty good. But I modified it because I needed to. And I'm glad I did, because she filled that little motherfucker up. It's 1 inch down there, and it's 1.5 inches here. This tray is. And it's made out of fucking, it's called stock coil. That's what vinyl people do to do fascia around your house. My stepson left his brake here because he was doing the fascia around his house. So I figured, oh, why not? And it's 1.5 inches by that. I think it's fucking 14 or 15 inches from here to here. I had to add this to it down here to make it work. But as you can see, it held everything in her bladder. Because I tried it out last night. I've been having to leave her in the tub because she hadn't been able to walk. This way she can move around and the urine doesn't get on her or nothing. I'll lift it up and see if we can see down in there. Then all you got to do is put a little something down there. Don't put no real harsh ass bleach or nothing, because it's going to reek like a motherfucker and probably eat through that metal. But I got it to where I can rinse it out. Or you can unscrew all of it. And, fuck all that. It's easier just to, if you know it's full, just take and rinse it out. Done deal. Oh, I had to add a 3/4 more inch height to it. So when I put that 2x4 there, I put a piece of 1x6. I had something laying around, so I just stuck it under too and made it higher. And then it worked pretty good. Thanks for stopping by. Any more dumbass shit you want to see done, just keep checking out.